Hi everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another Bibbidi box. And not just any Bibbidi box, it's my birthday box. So, if you are unfamiliar with Bibbidi boxes, they are a monthly subscription box that you can get stylized to Disney, Marvel, Harry Potter, Star Wars. They start at, Lucky's here, they start at about $9.99 a month for a box, or probably a packet of decals and stickers, and they go all the way up to $299 for multiple designer items. I do the Ultimate Magic Box, which comes in at $119. If you've watched my Bibbidi Box unboxings in the past, you know that they always do right by me. They nail it every time, so I'm always excited when one of these comes, and this one is no exception. If you follow the channel, then you know that my birthday month is April. I don't know if they do anything special for your birthday month box, but they do ask, so I feel like that might be a sign. This one came wrapped in plastic, which I, in a very ladylike manner, threw on the ground. I am excited to get into it, so let's do it. Last month they sent a Halloween box, which was cool. But this looks like we're back to like the regular Bibbidi box with the Spaceship Earth and the Small World and the cotton candy and pastel colored stuff. Do you have it right side up this time? Alright. Oh, cute! So at least they wished me a happy birthday. So they did know. Alright, I have a packing slip. I'll put that off to the side for later. And I have a little birthday card. It says, "Have the best birthday ever. Wishing you a magical birthday with love, the Bibbidi fam. Brenda, Becky, Amanda, and Trish." So cute, thank you guys. Okay, so I already see one item in here. It's in like a burgundy box, so I think, you know, if you know, you know. But the tissue paper is a very classy gray. Little Bibbidi sticker. Alright, there's something over here. Ooh. So this is adorable. I don't usually put things on my wish list. The way Bibbidi works is you fill out a preference sheet. Your likes, dislikes, collections you have, favorite characters, characters you don't like, shirt sizes, food you like. So I have a very detailed preference sheet, so I don't usually put stuff on my wish list. I want to be surprised, you know. Lucky's pack. So this is like this super cute, like cosmetics case. And it has several pieces. I can't even, this is so cute. So you have Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. It's beautiful. It's like a really pretty lavender. It matches the box. Black on the bottom with this cute little blue piping. And then look, there are other pieces on the inside. There's this really pretty plastic piece. Put that in the bag. So I'll show you this one first. So another little cosmetics bag with worm's wart, frog's breath, deadly nightshade, Sally's little hands. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. I love this. And then this is the best part. You ready for this? It's 0! Look how cute! With a little pumpkin nose. Oh, look. I mean, this is where you put your treasures. 0, keep them safe. This little set is so cute. So cute. Never seen this before, I love it. All right, and then you have the big guy. Our Disney Showcase Collection, Jim Shore. Don't know what it is. I'm going to assume it's a villain, but I don't know, because they sent me Marie one time because I wrote I love Disney cats, so we'll find out together. Alright. Do you want to know? You're going to be surprised? Alright. So let's slide her open. Rid of Mr. Box. I do have my handy dandy scissors. Let's see if I do a better job than I did last time. I can't do anything in a straight line. It's a straight line, but it didn't go all the way through the tape. I'll let you look first. Oh my gosh, so cute. So obviously it's the Evil Queen and Snow White. Mike will actually be pretty excited about this because I think he thinks I have too many Maleficent pieces, and I do have a lot of Maleficent pieces. So the first thing you really notice is the look on the Queen's face, like fury. That is what fury looks like. She's got the apple. Snow White's here too, but you know I'm here for the Evil Queen. Snow White is looking very demure and innocent. And look at the base, it has the crown and the apple. Oh my gosh. But look, can you just look at how exquisite this is? Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Bibbidi. I never considered myself to be a Jim Shore collector, but I'm like racking them up now. And I have to say I do love them. I really love them. They're always prettier in person than they look in the photos. So the Jim Shores are a little pricey, so that takes up, you know, the majority of these boxes when I get them. That is one of the options when you're filling out your preference sheet. You can specify whether you are okay with getting a couple of more expensive items, or you can also have more items that are just less expensive items. I'm okay with the pricier things if they're things that I like, and they've always been stuff that I like, so I'll turn them back now. All right, so let's look out. Oh, there's something else in the box. I missed something. I was not expecting 3 things. I guess there is. Hi, Sophie. Oh, cute. So, it's a Wonderground Gallery Hatbox Ghost and His Fiends by Chris Aminga. You can see this. You have like the singing heads and this Hatbox Ghost. This is fantastic. So my favorite ride at Magic Kingdom is the Haunted Mansion. That must be on my preference sheet somewhere. So it's super, super cute little print that I can frame. All right, so back to my packing slip. The box is even better than I thought. All right, So the happy birthday, $0. The Disney Traditions Jim Shore Snow White and Evil Queen, Evil and Innocence, it's $95. The Nightmare Before Christmas Mystic Opulence Travel Cosmetic Bag set of 3, it's $29.99. And the Wonderground Gallery postcard was $5.99 for a grand total of $130.98 for my $119 box. So pretty good value. So once again, my Bibbidi box did not disappoint. I feel like it was a great value. I loved all 3 items in there. Which of the items was your favorite? I think Lucky's favorite is the box. Was it the Jim Shore? Was it the 3-piece cosmetic bag? Or was it the Haunted Mansion print? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for joining. Lucky and I say bye.